Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can catch the Cerulean Carpenter. This is our last insect on the list that I haven't caught yet. So to catch the Cerulean Carpenter, you need to be in Fishing Village Square. So let me just go there first. And basically it spawns during dusk time and nighttime, and it spawns when the weather is rainbow. Here, I'll show you guys. It's currently a moon rainbow right now. So I'm just going to look around and hopefully I catch one. So I will, I think, use the sense booster as well because this area isn't small. You can also find them roaming around these grasses area. So I'll be right back and hopefully I catch one. I did use the sense booster because it is easier to catch insects with it, and I finally found the Cerulean Carpenter. This is where you can find it. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!